Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly open any software or program using only a keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So say here I have two program or software on my desktop screen. So here we are not going to use our computer mouse, so we are gonna use only the computer keyboard. So firstly, for this what you need to do is you need to do some settings firstly. So just right click on the respective software and just click on this properties, and now you will see here one option written shortcut key, right? So by default it's showing none, right? Now just click on this box written none, and now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl, and now you will see Alt is also already being added. Now you can add any alphabet or number or any symbol. Say I will just add a C alphabet, and after that just click on apply. Now click on OK. Now if I press Ctrl Alt and C, now it will open the Chrome web browser. So similarly you can do the same method for the other program. Say just right mouse click on the respective program, click on the properties, and just click on the shortcut key box, and once again press the Ctrl key on your computer keyboard. So this is my shortcut key for this program. Click on apply, click on OK. Now if I press Ctrl Alt and W, so you can see the respective WordPad application or the program gets open. So by using this method you can quickly open any software or program using only a keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.